Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man Eric with Window Depot USA. We're out here for another episode of The Customer's House, and we are in Kettering, Ohio. What this is here is we had two opening changes on the same property. The customer provided his own bay window that he bought. We just made the hole bigger from where the window used to be so it would fit this bay window. And then we also supplied the picture window that's around the corner on the other side that we had to cut a hole in the house because there was no hole there. And so let's take a look and go around on this side and take a look at this big picture window. And while we were here, once we opened up the wall on the inside, we discovered that there used to be a door behind the wall that was covered up from one of the previous owners. But this is a big picture window that the customer wanted to put in so they could see the grandkids in the swimming pool behind us. And it is completely tempered glass because of the height from the floor and because of the size. And we had to cut this out and put this in where there was not one, so it required a new header. And so let's go ahead and go inside and take a look.
You're safe.
All right, so this wall right here, once the guys took the old drywall off, it exposed a big electrical situation where there was some old wiring. So the customer had to call in an electrician to get it all straightened around. And then they installed this with the new casing. And then over here was the bay window that the customer supplied. And this used to be just a single window, so they had to widen it a little bit and put in a new header up here as well. So whenever we do opening changes, we make sure they are to code with the new header and all the lumber and stuff behind the wall as well. So customer's doing the finishing work so he can get it repainted so they can get back to a normal dining room area. So thanks for joining me on another episode of The Customer's House. Until we film another one, peace out everybody.